Are you tired of tripping over uneven driveways or worried about the safety of your sidewalks? Discover how our expert concrete leveling services can transform your property. Imagine walking on a perfectly leveled driveway, free from trip hazards and with enhanced curb appeal. Our concrete leveling solutions make this a reality. Uneven sidewalks can be a danger to pedestrians. We lift and stabilize sunken sections, ensuring safe and smooth walkways for everyone. Sunken or tilted steps can be a safety hazard. Our precise concrete leveling services raise and align steps, maintaining a polished and even look. Enjoy your pool area without worrying about uneven surfaces. Our concrete leveling services ensure a smooth and safe pool deck for relaxation and fun. Interior floors can also suffer from uneven surfaces. We restore balance to your floors, enhancing both appearance and safety in your living or working space. Why choose us? We offer free estimates, eco-friendly solutions, and an industry-leading warranty to protect your investment. Concrete slabs sink due to soil erosion, poor compaction, or water issues. Our foam leveling technique addresses these problems by filling voids and stabilizing the foundation. Foam leveling is perfect for tight spaces. Our compact equipment and minimal disruption make it ideal for narrow walkways, interior floors, and landscaped areas. Hear from our satisfied customers, Texas Concrete Leveling made our driveway look fantastic. Our sidewalk is now safe and level, and our warehouse floors are now perfect for operations.